Hello, today I'm gonna show you some best features on your Samsung Galaxy A06. First, let's go into our settings, go into advanced features, and go into motions and gestures. So the first feature I want to show you is the double tap to turn on or turn off your screen. So you simply have to turn it on, these two options, and by double tapping the home screen, you simply turn off your phone. Also by double tapping your phone when it's locked, when it's turned off, simply it wakes up. So that's one of the features. Right here we also have lift to wake. So when we have turned on, if we turn on this function, when we simply take our phone into our hands from the table or from a counter or something, the phone will automatically just lit up the screen. So you don't have to already like press these buttons or double tap your screen. It simply turns on it by itself. Next we have the side button options, and we have the double press function, which basically gives us ability to make ourselves a shortcut by double pressing the side button. I believe it's the this button, this power button. So simply you have to turn it on, and we can either toggle if you want to quick launch a camera, or we can make our custom app to launch by this shortcut. So you simply turn on any application that you want to turn on, for example, I don't know, flashlight, and as you double press the power button, the flashlight should turn on. Oh, as you can see. So that's very nice and useful function. The next cool feature that we have available on our Samsung Galaxy A06, we will have under the wallpaper and style, and right here we have color palette. We simply go in here, enable it, and we can change the style and the color of our phone to some colors that are right here, or some basic colors. You simply just select, change your color. You have the preview of how it would look like, as you can see, just like this. That's pretty nice, that's pretty interesting, and nice way to customize your phone. Next we have the blue light filter, which we can find in the display options, and right here is the eye comfort shield. This is basically the blue light filter, and right here we can change the sensitivity of the filter. We can set schedule ourselves, but basically the blue light filter is very healthy for your eyes when using your phone when it's dark or at night actually. So that's very nice. It's not making your eyes be so tired like usually. One of the cool features that we also have right here are in the themes, and here we can change the theme of our phone overall from these Galaxy themes. There are a lot of interesting themes. Also, if you want free themes, you simply have to go into search and type in here phrase free, and then just like this you will get the free themes to choose from. You have also some wallpapers already made by some wallpapers, and you can change the icons actually, which also is pretty nice way to customize your phone. You can customize your own icons, any that you'd like, some different wallpaper and different color, using the previous function that I showed you in the wallpaper style right here from this color palette. That's very nice, pretty interesting. Also, when we are in the home screen, we can swipe from the down to the top, from bottom to the top, and as we can see right here there is a app drawer. So right here we have all the applications on our phone, we have some folders, we can customize it pretty much, and also we have the search bar, so we can search for pretty much literally anything on our phone, from applications to some settings, different settings, maybe probably some files, as we can see, probably for some pictures. So if you know how is your file named, like for example some very important text file, so you simply just have to input the name of this file and it should probably pop up right here. Or if you're looking for some I don't know, settings, important settings, you have to change something very quickly, you simply just type the name of the setting you want to change and you can change it just right here. That is very useful option, very nice. I like it, I really like it. So using this option we will go to the next feature that we have, which is the memory extension. We should type memory extension. It probably should appear here. Actually not, but anyways we should go into memory, and right here we have the RAM Plus, which gives us the opportunity to make our RAM bigger from 2 GB, which are in factory, to make it 4 GB. This function uses the phone virtual memory to make the RAM bigger, so that's very nice. In case you need more RAM, you can simply just extend your RAM. Very nice, very nice. Another feature I can show you is the feature which is in the calculator application. We're going here, and right here we have to press this linear, this icon right here, and right here we have the unit converter, so we can convert pretty much a lot of different data. As you can see, here are acres, hours, hectares. You can select the length unit, temperature, volume, mass, data. There are pretty much a lot of different stuff. So with this, when you are not sure, for example, how much is 1 megabyte into kilobytes, you can simply just select it right here and type any amount that you need to convert. So that is very useful function, very nice. So I think that's it for the all best features, in my opinion, best features on the Samsung Galaxy A06. That's it. If you're looking for more information about Samsung Galaxy A06, please take a look at my channel. Thank you for watching.